are going to take a quick look at a Delta 43792 sliding shaper. These have been around for several decades, and I mean, it slides nicely. It slides as you would expect. This one's nice and smooth. Obviously not as smooth as lineal bearings, but as smooth as this type of slide can move. It does have a lock right here. You're simply going to quarter turn it, spring loaded, so you pull it out to unlock. It's just going to drop right back in with pins. It does have the original miter gauge, 1 1/4 spindle, 4 3/4 inches under that spindle. Aluminum fence plates. You do have your overhead guard is present. Does have forward and reverse. It's powered by a 7.5 horsepower motor, currently wired for 230 volt 3-phase operation. Currently have it in forward. We're gonna hit start. Quiet running. It does have a braking motor. Throw it in reverse. This time I'll hit the E-stop. Nice and clean down below. You can obviously flip that belt to get from 3,000 to 4,000 to 6,000, 8,000, or 10,000 RPMs. This is your spindle lock. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this, push it in, and rotate until the pin locks. It did lock. You pull it out, turn it a quarter turn, and it will unlock. Does come with nut, spacers, 3 1/4 pieces of tooling. Someone threw in this lights tooling. I don't know why someone set it down, but it is definitely there. But that is not 1 1/4. I will include it. It raises and lowers nicely. I mean, this one's pretty good. And this one's actually smooth. Sometimes these Taiwanese shapers can be a little bit on the firm side, not necessarily a bad thing. This is your fence adjustments, and both sides function nicely, and both handles are in good shape. Overall, this is a pretty clean Delta that came from a smaller shop. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.